Hello everyone, welcome back to Anita Misra Math classes, and this is Anita Misra here. Today I have again taken class 12 chapter 2 inverse trigonometric function exercise 2.2, and in this video I am going to start from question number 11, and for previous question don't forget to watch part 1 and part 2 of this video. Start this exercise from question number 11. It is tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Here we have to find out value of this function. So first we have to find out value of this one, sin inverse 1 by 2. And we know that sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 6. इस तरह की क्वेश्चन हमने ऑलरेडी एक्सरसाइज 2.1 में सॉल्व किया हुआ है. यहाँ पे मैं आपको फिर से एक बार इसका रिवीजन करा देती हूँ कि ये कैसे पाई बाई 6 आएगा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट let sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to y, then sin y will be 1 by 2, and we know that sin 30 degree, that means sin pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So we can write sin pi by 6. So what will be y? So y will be, from here you can write y will be pi by 6, and y means sin inverse 1 by 2. So you can write here sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 6. Now put this value here. Then write tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to, right here again, tan inverse 2 cos, write this 2 as it is, and sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 6. So write here pi by 6. Divide this 6 by 2, 2 3 ja 6, so it will be pi by 3. Now we can write tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3. So we can write this tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3 again, and we know that cos pi by 3 means cos 60 degree, and value of cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. So right here tan inverse 2 into 1 by 2, because right here cos pi by 3, that means cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Divide this 2 by 2, it will be 1, so it will be tan inverse 1, and tan inverse 1 will be pi by 4. How? You can write, let again tan inverse 1 is equal to y. So what will be tan y? Tan y will be 1, and we know that tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So in place of 1 we can write tan pi by 4. Now compare this. We can write y is equal to pi by 4, and what is y? Y is equal to tan inverse 1. So tan inverse 1 will be pi by 4. So this is your answer. Tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. So pi by 4 is our answer. So let us see next question. Question number 12. It is cot tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. Here we have to find out value of this function, and all of you know that tan inverse A plus cot inverse A is equal to pi by 2. So it is very simple to convert this tan inverse A in form of cot inverse A, or this cot inverse A in form of tan inverse A. So let us write this. First write this as it is, cot tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. Now write cot. Write this tan inverse A as it is. Tan inverse A plus tan inverse A plus cot inverse A is equal to pi by 2. So cot inverse A will be pi by 2 minus tan inverse A. So we can write here pi by 2 minus tan inverse A. Tan inverse A minus tan inverse A, so it will be 0. And write here formula that here we have used. So here we have used cot inverse A plus tan inverse A is equal to pi by 2. That means cot inverse A is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse A. यहाँ पे हमने इसको यूज किया है. Now we have cot pi by 2 and we know that cot pi by 2 is equal to 0. So our answer is 0. Next is question number 13. It is tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square divided by 1 plus y square. Here we have to find out value of this function. तो यहाँ पे sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square किसका फार्मूला होता है? 2 tan inverse x का. cos inverse 1 minus y square divided by 1 plus y square किसका फार्मूला होगा? 2 tan inverse y का. लेकिन ये आते कैसे हैं? सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको ये निकाल के दिखाऊंगी, उसके बाद हम इसकी वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे और इनको सॉल्व करेंगे. सो लेट अस राइट. सबसे पहले हम इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे कैसे आता है. सो राइट हियर साइन इनवर्स 2x by 1 plus x square. So let here x is equal to tan theta. Then what will be theta? Theta will be tan inverse x. Now put this value here. We can write sin inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And we know that 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin 2 theta. So write here sin 2 theta. Here sin inverse sin x. So it will be x. But in place of x here it is 2 theta. So it will be 2 theta. Now put the value of theta. First write 2 and theta is equal to tan inverse x. So it is tan inverse x. So value of this one is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now we have to find out value of this one. So first take this cos inverse 1 minus y square divided by 1 plus y square. Okay. So let y is equal to tan theta. यहाँ भी हम y के जगह पे tan theta पुट करेंगे. So what will be theta? So theta will be tan inverse y. Now we can write cos inverse 1 minus, in place of y write tan theta. So 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So it will be cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Yes, so it will be cos 2 theta. And cos inverse cos 2 theta will be 2 theta. So it is 2 theta. Now put the value of theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse y. So it will be 2 tan inverse y. Now we can write here. From here write first tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse x. So write here 2 tan inverse x plus cos inverse 1 minus y square divided by 1 plus y square is equal to 2 tan inverse y. So write here 2 tan inverse y and take common 2. So it will be tan 1 by 2 into 2 here. And here it will be tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. What is formula for that? Yes, it is tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. It is formula for tan inverse x plus y. So cut this 2. So we can write tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse theta will be theta. In place of theta it is x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So finally we get x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, and this is our answer for this question. Next is question number 14. It is if sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1, then find the value of x. Here it is given sine, अगर हम इसको थीटा ले तो sin theta is equal to 1, and we know that sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. So in place of this one we can write sin pi by 2. So let us write. Write this sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. That means sin pi by 2. On comparing both sides we can write, you can write here both sides we can write sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Suppose this one is theta, so sin theta is equal to sin pi by 2. So if this one is theta, so theta will be pi by 2. In place of theta it is given sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x. So sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x will be pi by 2. Now we can write sin inverse 1 by 5 is equal to, right here, pi by 2 minus cos inverse के x को इस साइड ले जाएंगे, so it will be cos inverse x, and we know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus cos inverse x will be sin inverse x. Sin inverse x. Here it is sin inverse 1 by 5. Again compare. So we can write on comparing we get, here write formula also. Formula is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This is formula. So we get 1 by 5 is equal to x. So we can write x is equal to 1 by 5. So our answer is x is equal to 1 by 5. Value of x will be 1 by 5. This is your answer. Next one is question number 15. It is if tan inverse x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. It is given. Then find the value of x. Here we had to find out value of x. And this one is given in form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. And we know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So here we are going to use this formula. So let us write first write this one, tan inverse x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 is given. So we can write tan inverse x plus y. X is here x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus y. Y is here x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. And it is divided by 1 minus x. X is here x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. X into y. Y is x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. This is equal to pi by 4. Then we can write tan inverse, take LCM, x minus 2 into x plus 2. So it will be x square minus 4. A minus b into a plus b will be a square minus b square. So it will be a square, that means x square, and minus b square means square of 2. So it will be 4. So here it will be x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2, and it is divided by, here it is x minus 2 into x plus 2. So it will be x square minus 4, a square minus b square say. So it will come here. So we can write x square minus 4 minus, here it is x minus 1 into x plus 1. So it will be x square minus 1 ka square, because a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here we can write x square minus 1, and this is divided by, whole is divided by x square minus 4. So this will cut, and it is given pi by 4. So right here pi by 4. Now we can write tan inverse, multiply this. So it will be x square minus x, then plus 2x minus 2, this one. Then write plus, multiply this one again. So it will be x square plus x minus 2x minus 2. And this is divided by this one. It is x square minus 4. Here it is minus, so it will be minus x square. Minus and minus become plus, so it will be plus. X square minus x square will be 0. Is equal to pi by 4 right here also. So we can write tan inverse. Here it is x square plus x square will be 2x square. So right here 2x square minus x plus 2x. So it will be plus x. And here it is also plus x and plus x plus 2x. And here it is minus 2x. So it will be 0. So you can cut here minus 2x plus 2x minus x plus x. So here it is minus 2. Here it is also minus 2. So it will be minus 4. And here it is minus 4 plus 1. So it will be minus 3. And this is equal to pi by 4. Okay. So we can write 2x square minus 4 divided by minus 3 is equal to 10 pi by 4. Okay, and value of 10 pi by 4 is 1. So in place of this we can write 1. Now write this, multiply this. So it will be 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3 multiplied by 1. So it will be minus 3. So we can write 2x square is equal to 4 minus 3. So it will be 4 minus 3 is 1. So we can write x square is equal to 1 by 2. Then what will be x? So x will be plus minus 1 by root 2. So this is our answer. X is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. इस वीडियो में हम आज यहीं तक सॉल्व करेंगे. इसके आगे के क्वेश्चन हम इस वीडियो के नेक्स्ट पार्ट में सॉल्व करेंगे. और नेक्स्ट पार्ट देखने के लिए आपको चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना होगा. सो आई थिंक आपको यहाँ तक तो बहुत ही अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. इसलिए आप इस वीडियो को तो लाइक और शेयर करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा. So see you in next video with new questions. Till then, bye bye and thank you so much for watching.